Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close look at the Nike MX186 Camo and Light Lemon Twist. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX186 Camo and Light Lemon Twist shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 9, US 10, Europe 44, Brazil 42, 28 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in an earth, oil green, black, light lemon twist colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike MX186 Camo and Light Lemon Twist. And let's lift out the pair from the box and set them on the tabletop. And just checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can set the box to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a quick look at the pair before we take much closer in looks. So let's start off by taking a look at the left shoe, so setting the right shoe down and in the background, and now giving you a look at the left shoe, so just tucking the laces in just to neaten things up for the visuals right there. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in look at its details. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, we can see the overall camel print design for the upper. And in terms of material, we can see the textile or fabric, the upper panel around the front of the shoe or mudguard, and you can see the kind of woodlands type camo with the light cream colors and soft green, and of course that chocolatey brown color making up that camouflage print design. And for the vamp, you can see a very coarse weave in a camel print as well. So overall, giving you a look further out with the overall camel print upper design with the various panels in canvas, as well as the nylon mesh vamp. And of course we can see that earth midsole as well, or very chocolatey dark brown, and of course with the outsole in black. So moving towards the midfoot area, we can see the light lemon twist Nike swoosh, and you can see that it does have a puffy effect or bolstered or padded design to it. And as we take a further out look, we can see the Max Air airbag or Nike Max Air unit cushioning in the sole, so a visible air cushioning unit there, the Nike Max Air. And of course, looking around the ankle collar, you can see once again that mesh design around the ankle collar of the shoe. And as we take a look around the heel or back of the shoe, and a much closer in look, we can see the light lemon twist Nike embroidered on the back of the shoe. And with the heel counter, also with that camel print and in canvas, and you can see the kind of twill design as well with the weaving. So taking a look towards the inner side of the shoe, once again we see that very prominent Nike swoosh in that light lemon twist color, so bright but muted or matte yellow. And of course we see that visible max air unit as well, right across on this side. And giving you a much closer in look at the various panels and details making up the upper of the shoe, from that Nike swoosh as well as the canvas camo panels and that nylon mesh extending towards the front of the shoe. And now taking a look directly from the front tip or toe of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back, so you can see the details along its length, and we can see that olive colored laces for the shoe, as well as the very bright insole as well, sock liner. But first let's take a look at the tongue, so we can see with the tongue with that square patch label and Nike Air branding on it. So high contrast with that chocolatey brown or earth and light lemon twist branding. And in terms of padding, it's soft with a light to medium level of thickness, as you can see. And taking around a look on the back side or lining right there, and of course around the insides of the shoe. So let's pop out the paper stuffing so we have a much clearer look at the inside details of the shoe. So you can see that bright orange detail on the sock liner or insole and the Nike branding on it, or Nike Air, and of course the inside labels as well, so giving you a look at the details right there. And we can see light coming through with that kind of wide nylon mesh weave for the vamp right there. So that orange that you see is actually the inside or sock liner of the shoe. So I'm just stuffing my hand in so you can just about see my finger just prodding or poking through or up, but nonetheless giving you a look at the various details around the inside of the shoe, the lining and the materials. And in terms of the ankle collar and padding, so very thinly padded around the sides or ankle. However, it does have a thick but soft level of padding around the heel areas, as you can see right there as I push down on it. So just around the sides, not so much around the directly around the back heel part. Okay, and of course I remember seeing a materials sticker or materials label somewhere right there, so just giving you a look at the composition sticker materials label, so you can see it's pretty much all textile or fabric for the design or construction of the shoe. So once again, just slipping or sliding the box right to the side in the background, and of course giving you once again a look around the details of the shoe. And let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So you can see it is completely blacked out. This is a black Nike rubber waffle sole, and giving you a look at the very simple looking sole design, and we can see the Nike Air branding around the heel part of the shoe. And in terms of the tackiness of the rubber, just dragging my finger along the surface, so you can hear, and tapping my fingernail as well. Right there, along the length of that black rubber waffle sole. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability, or flexibility. And now just stretching and puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and in the background so that there's no interference as we take a look at the right shoe now. And let's do a 360 rotation with this shoe as well. So you have that quick look. And now of course taking a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see that camel print design for the upper with the canvas mudguard or uppermost panels, as well as the wide and breathable nylon mesh camel print for the vamp and various parts of the shoe. So on this side we can see a Nike swoosh embroidered in the heel or back part in light lemon twist instead of the Nike Air that we saw earlier with the left shoe. And on the outer side of the shoe, once again just taking a look at the various details, and of course that Max Air airbag cushioning in the heel, and of course giving you some sense of the firmness of the midsole. So rather firm midsole right there in that chocolatey brown or earth color. And of course taking a look at the sole as well. So once again that blacked out rubber waffle sole, and of course taking a look around the insides of the shoe. Once again we can slip out the paper stuffing for this side as well, so you get that sense of that kind of wide weave mesh right there with high visibility towards the inside or foot area or footbed. So giving you a look at the details, the labels and the lining of this Nike MX1 86 Camo and light lemon twist. So you can see the various design details throughout. Okay, and just neatening up the laces right there for this side of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. and the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike MX1 86 Camo and Light Lemon Twist. Thanks for watching and happy running!